Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lola and based off the video title, you know exactly what's going on. So I finally decided to upgrade to the new iPhone 13. I got the Pro in the new Sierra Blue color. I have been wanting to rip open this box so bad, but I've had to have a lot of patience because it actually was shipped to my mom's house. So I had to go pick it up, bring it here, and then wait to do the video. So I have been dying. I decided to upgrade because I actually switched carriers, and so I'm actually going to be trading in my old phone. And so they have like a whole nice deal where you're able to trade, get some value for this phone in order to go towards the new one. So I'm super excited. I only have to pay a few extra bucks a month just to be able to have the newest phone. And ever since the 12 came out, I really wanted that phone because of the camera, the new features, everything that they had. But then I was like, maybe right now is not the right time, let me wait. And then the 13 came out and I was like, okay, I have to upgrade now. I have, as of right now, the iPhone XS Max in the rose gold color, and it's 256 gigabytes. Let me take the case off for you. So this is the one that I have, and I have made so many what's on my iPhones for this phone, and if you wanted to check any of those out, I'll put the links in the description as well. I'll pit a card up here. But I mean, I've loved this phone. I've had no issues with it. It's glitched on me maybe like once. And I've had it since it came out, so what, like 2.5-ish years. But it was time to upgrade, so that is what I'm doing. I'm so excited. Let me tell you, before I got this phone, I watched so many tech videos. I watched MKBHD, I watched Mr. Who's the Boss, I watched iJustine's like super in-depth video about the camera. I have watched so many freaking videos about this phone that I made sure I was well educated before getting this phone. When I was in the T-Mobile store, they had the 12s out, and so when I picked up the Max, I felt like it was a little bit too big because since this one is the round edges versus the new ones are the flat edges, I kind of felt like the Max for me personally was just a little bit too big. So I decided to go with just the regular Pro, but I did get it in the Sierra Blue just because I thought it was a little bit different. Everybody gets it in the gold, the white, the graphite, so I was like, let me be a little bit different and just pick up the blue. The boxes are slimmer now because they actually stopped including the charging brick and the headphones, which the headphones, I wish they would have still included those because I actually use them. The charging brick is whatever. And they don't do the plastic wrap anymore because now they're trying to be reduce their waste. So by the way, I actually got this one in 128 gigabytes because my phone that I have right now is 256 and I'm not even a quarter like of the usage of the storage, so I felt like 156 was sufficient enough for me. So let's open her up. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, this thing is beautiful. Wow. So the back glass is frosted, which I really like because it does not pick up any prints. And I did order, it has not come yet, it's supposed to come today, but I did order a clear case for it just because I want to see the blue color. And then the sides are stainless steel. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think it was a good decision for me to get the Pro. So they have this new paper wrap here. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. This phone is so sexy, like wow. And then look at how big, I don't have the 12 to compare, but I saw a bunch of videos and the camera bump compared to last year, these cameras are massive now. So I know the zoom, I believe last year went up to 2.5 and now it's full 3 times zoom. And then also they have the new cinematic mode, which I'm super excited for, and they also upgraded the macro lens as well. And this phone did not have a macro, it did not have a wide lens, it just had the one camera. Actually no, I think it has two, but this is a major upgrade in camera quality compared to this. So I'm so excited for this. And inside the case, all we have is the new cable, which is the Lightning to USB-C. And I actually did buy, which I realized I didn't really need to, because the phone itself is still the Lightning cable. So I still could technically use the same charger that I have for my 10. But since this is it's a more powerful phone, I wanted to make sure that I have the fast charging. So what I actually purchased, which I will open it right now, this is the Anker PowerPoint 3. So this is supposed to be like fast charging. And I also picked up a screen protector. So this is the brand that I got for the phone, which is the same exact brand that I used for my 10. And as you can see, I do not have any cracks, I do not have any chips, I don't have any issues whatsoever. And I don't believe I've replaced the screen protector since I put it on, which is why I got the same brand. So I'll go ahead and link this in the description if you guys are interested, but this is the brand that I got for that. And as I said earlier, I did get a clear case. It should be arriving at some point today. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this baby on. Let's go, come on. Look how pretty this is now. I love it. Wow, it does look a lot clearer than my phone. Holy crap, that's insane. So comparison, you guys can see, I'm sorry about the glare. You guys can see that my Max is clearly taller, but honestly, if you look at it, the only difference is like that much, so it's perfectly fine. And then the 13 is a little bit thicker, and these flat edges, I'm obsessed. Set up the new phone, English, let's see, United States, lock to continue, Face ID. Oh, setting up new phone. Perfect. So we're going to hold the camera. This is amazing, this technology. This is wild. All right. Oh, I'm gonna set up the password. Okay, so it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So I guess we gotta wait a little bit for that. Honestly, I thought that the size was gonna be more off-putting just because that this is a lot smaller than this one, but I actually really like that I chose this size. My Face ID has been set up. Okay, so I can transfer directly from the phone, and it says it's gonna take 35 to 45 minutes. So I'm just gonna do that. That way it'll transfer everything, and people that I've seen that have done this option, it'll automatically, of course, install all the apps, but also, so for example, for Instagram, it'll automatically log you in your iCloud and everything like that. And I don't remember all my passwords, so that's why I'm gonna do this. We are almost there. It says that it's gonna be about a minute, but it's at this point. Oh, speaking of, transfer complete. Okay, oh, it's asking me to erase this phone, which I know I need to. Continue, goodbye phone. Goodbye. I feel like I should probably put the screen protector on now, just because I'm very nervous and I can already see specks of dust getting on this. So let's go ahead and install this now. So we got the screen protector on. Well, Vincent had to help me because I was messing up. So I have the screen protector, and it is currently downloading all of my apps. That is my beautiful phone. The last bit of this video, I'm gonna go outside and mess with the camera and insert the clips and stuff like that, because I'm so curious for the cinematic mode. I've also never had wide angle, so that's gonna be fun. And then also I want to test the macro, see how that goes, and let's try it. So this is the video on the front camera, and this is incredible. Compared to the 10, it's so clear, and the way it picks everything up, this is amazing. This is the cinematic mode. Look at how it blurs that back there. This is crazy for a phone to be able to do this ability. This is another level. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how this macro mode works. So I'm just on the regular photo, and you guys can see I'm just on the regular 1x zoom. Here's the plant.
And then once you get a certain, it automatically switches, and you can see that it just starts picking up all these super tiny details, and it's absolutely amazing because I don't have to switch anything, but you can see when you go away, it'll just go to the regular camera, and then once you try to get very close, it's picking up the tiniest details of this leaf.
And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully I will upload a what's on my iPhone once I get this all updated and stuff, because I do want to probably some apps delete, move around, maybe update some stuff. So once I do that, I'll probably upload a what's on my iPhone. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have not yet, please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell, that way you're notified whenever I post a new video. And also, if you want to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle here. But I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.